La 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 la. La 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 la. La.
Meet my crazy Australian uncle, Uncle Wazza.
My name is mutated Aslan. La.
It's Aslan's retarded cousin. Uncle Wazza is in the live-action role-play business, aka LARP. Basically, people dress up in costumes, have rubber axes, rubber swords, even catapults, and beat the crap out of each other. So today we're going to be making a LARP movie with Uncle Wazza. Uncle Wazza's going to be the villain, Shanta and I will be the protagonist.
Hey boy, what's your star sign? Anyone got some milk? Same size as Shanta.
It's the same size as you, Shanta, I think.
Shanta by 2 legs and wielded as a sword.
What's this thing called, ma'am?
This is called my penis flap. I don't know why I call it that.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got.
Welcome to LARP 101. I'm going to teach you the basics of how to LARP. What does LARP stand for? Live Action Roleplay. These are the do's and don'ts of LARP. So rule number 1, there is no headshots. Yes, no hitting people in the head whatsoever. No headshots. Well, the second rule is definitely there is no groin shots, especially nut shots. They really hurt. Oh, there goes my babies. That was my left one. Thirdly, basically have fun without killing each other. Oh, headshot. My name is Org. I live in the land of Tauron. Tauron you will never forget. It is where we are big, we are strong, we are ugly, but we can kill, we can fight, we destroy, we take over. No! So, I saw you brought a big weapon. I saw your weapon is almost as big as mine, but mine has more good. Nagwagi tayo, baby! Yeah, nagwagi tayo! I shall drink the mud waters of power. Working. I have transformed. The hills are alive with the sound of death. No groin shots, especially nut shots. They really hurt. I shall drink the mud waters of power. Disgusting crap. I have transformed. Transformers. Plumbers crack is showing. I'm Terry, and I live in the valley. I feel like chicken tonight. Your legs look a lot like a nice drumstick. You will not defeat me with that weapon.
I will defeat you!
Can you even swing it, little one?
I saw you, I told you.
And that is how you kill a 46-year-old man in a gorilla suit. What's your YouTube channel going to be called, Wazza? BigSexyBeast.com?
I would like to, but that's already taken about 100 times. I noticed. Big fat boredom beast. I got the bawdy sexy beast.
Alright, so Wazza is going to make a YouTube channel. Once he has that YouTube channel up, we're going to link his channel in the description below. Paki-subscribe po kayo dun. Supportahan natin si Uncle Wazza.
It's only because you guys keep asking for it. I've got about 100 million requests on my Facebook page. The people have no idea.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling.